The focus of this guided meditation is to allow yourself, body and mind, to fully relax and release. Using bolsters, blocks, pillows, blankets, whatever you need to support your comfort. Begin by taking 3 slow, deep breaths, bringing the focus to your exhale. Relaxation comes with the exhale. Take a moment to check in and readjust your position if you need to ensure that you are really comfortable. For the next few breaths, focus on your belly. Notice how it expands as you inhale and contracts and empties as you exhale. Inhale and expand. Exhale, empty, and relax. From your belly, bring your attention to your right leg. Feel where your right leg is touching the floor or the chair, from your hip to your heel. As you breathe, allow your awareness to travel the length of your leg. Is there any tension in the muscles, or are they relaxed? Are more supports needed, such as a bolster under your knees, a small cushion beneath your heels, or a cushion beneath your feet? Breathe and notice if each exhale allows more tension to be released from the muscles in your right leg. And now bring your attention to the left leg, and as you breathe, feel where it touches the ground or the chair, along the back of your thigh, your calf muscle, your heel. Do you notice any tension in the muscles? Does each exhale allow more tension to release? Notice how your left leg feels as you breathe. Continue to breathe deeply and allow any residual tension in either of your legs to release. From here, bring your attention to your torso, and together we'll focus on the back first, from the tailbone to the skull. Continue to breathe. There are major muscle groups that support your spine, so take some time as you breathe deeply to notice any tension in your glute muscles, your hips, or through your lower back. Do you need more support beneath or behind your back? If you focus on your glutes and hips, can you release tension further with each exhale? The floor or your chair will fully support you. It is safe to release any tightness in the muscles of your low back. allowing your awareness to continue traveling slowly up through your middle and upper back. Notice any tension or discomfort. Inhale deeply as you focus on any tension in the muscles along the back, and allow them to release as you drop your breath on the exhale. Bringing your awareness to the front of your body, breathe into your belly. And as you exhale, release any tensions, glitches, or muscles that still may be sucking it in. Allow your belly to just let go. Notice as your rib cage gently lifts and falls as you inhale and exhale. Notice if there is any tension between the ribs that needs to dissolve. Breathe in as your lungs expand and lift your rib cage. Exhale as they empty and your rib cage drops back. Allow any tension that you're holding in your throat to release as you exhale. Sometimes you need to add a cough or a clearing of your throat to allow it to fully release. Is your neck feeling supported in the position that you're in? We hold a lot of stress and tension in our neck muscles, which can be difficult to release at times, so that the neck can fully relax. Your neck may need more support, such as a small pillow or a rolled towel. Breathe in deeply and allow each exhale to release any tension that you may be holding in your neck or shoulders. As you breathe, allow your focus to run from the right side of your neck, across your right shoulder, and down your right arm to your fingertips. Take a moment to notice where your shoulder and arm touch the floor. Are your muscles holding any tension, or are they fully relaxed? Inhale as your awareness travels the length of your arm, and exhale to release any tension there. Switching the focus to the left shoulder and left arm, notice where they touch the floor. Is there any tension in the muscles, or are they fully relaxed? Continue to breathe and allow as your right shoulder and arm become completely relaxed. Check in with your neck again and that it continues to feel relaxed. And bring your focus to any tension that may exist through the back, sides, and top of your head. Inhale and exhale deeply to release any tension there. There's no thinking needed right now. Your body knows what it needs to do to maintain your breathing. It is safe to release thoughts, worries, and tensions. Are your facial muscles relaxed? Realize that you don't need to look like anything right now. And as you breathe, check in that the muscles around your forehead, mouth, and chin are allowed to become lax and relaxed. Allow each exhale to relax them further. And for now, just breathe. You can continue in this quiet, relaxed space for as long as you wish to. However, if you do need to get up and move, make it a gradual process. Allow your focus to move to the inhale of your breathing rather than the exhale. Begin to gently move your wrists and hands and your ankles and feet in slow, gentle circles as you create more awareness of your body's return from relaxation. Continue to breathe as you slowly turn onto your side. If you're pregnant, please be sure to turn onto your left side. Take your time, breathe, and gradually bring yourself to sitting or standing. And continue to breathe, stretch, and move. Namaste.